How to install Instagram in computer or laptop. Instagram is a social media platform that primarily caters to visual content such as photos and videos. It's a great way to keep in touch with friends and family, or even use it to promote your brand or business. While Instagram is primarily a mobile app, you can still access it on your computer or laptop using some easy steps. So let's get started. Open the Microsoft Store from Start menu. Search for Instagram from the search bar. Click on the Instagram app and you will be taken its product page. Click on Get button to start the installation process. The Instagram app is free to download and use. Once the app is installed, click on the Launch button to open the app. Click on the Open button. The next step is log in to your account. If you don't have an Instagram account yet, you can sign up for one through the app. Once you are logged in, you can start using Instagram just like you would on your mobile device. That's it. You can now use Instagram on your computer or laptop running Windows 11. This is a great way to stay connected with your friends and family, or even use it for business purpose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.